One thing I think that people do is they actually roast on a high heat. That will dry something out. You want to slow it down, especially if it's something big. And then towards the end of the cook, you can always crank it up to get it brown. I'll roast everything together. It doesn't matter to me. It could be onion. I'm looking at the table over here. We have leeks, we have fennel, we have red onion, there's carrots, there's turnips, even radishes. If you're cooking them all nice and slow and you have them evenly spaced in here, they'll all cook around the same rate. Even if you're adding things to the pan, different temperatures at different times, they're all gonna cook together. It's fine. If I'm doing vegetables in here, the heat will be way down. There's enough sugar in there. And you'll get a Maillard reaction, which is actually what happens when you're browning. It's not caramelization, because you can get that reaction and that browning without moving it around and shaking it really fast. You'll actually get that browning. And you'll get something that's cooked more evenly because the outside's not gonna be dried out by the time the inside's cooked. You got the roast vegetables, bring that to the table. You'll make a lot of people happy.